Students, we are on the next question, and this question is also related to the vocabulary, and this question is the MCQs based question. Let's see what is the question. Choose the correct meaning of the underlined word. The first is, it was a delicate situation. So we are having the 4 MCQs choices, that is difficult, easy, sensitive and fragile. So delicate means something which is sensitive. The second is, the Abu Jahl began knocking at the door violently. तो violently का हमने यहाँ पे synonym ढूंढना है. The first choice is politely, slowly, forcefully and angrily. तो it means angrily. She simply posed a counter question that infuriated Abu Jahl. The underlined word is infuriated, and we have to find the same synonym word for this thing. So pleased, helped, enraged and annoying. That is enraged. That is enraged means when someone is in extreme anger. She remained steadfast and did not reveal the secret. So यहाँ पे steadfast को underline किया गया, and we have to find the synonym for steadfast from all of these choices. The first is patient, firm and resolute, ready to face worst, prepared for the best. The best option is firm and resolute. So student, I hope you understand the meanings of these underlined words. Let's move towards the next question.